The power supply. Before we begin, let me give you what could possibly be the best advice I have in the entire course. I would like to stress how important it is to take extra precautions when dealing with any type of work that involves electricity. Working with electricity can be very dangerous and is not recommended if you're not sure what you are doing. This should go without saying, but please make sure the power supply is unplugged when making any type of repair inside a computer. Now let's begin. A power supply is a critical component in a computer that provides electrical power to all the other components. It converts the alternating current from your wall outlet to the direct current needed by the computer's internal components. The power supply ensures stable and reliable power delivery, which is essential for the proper functioning of your computer. Keep the following in mind when building your computer. The power output of a power supply is measured in watts. It determines how much electrical power the power supply can deliver to the components. Each component requires a different amount of power. A higher wattage power supply is required for systems with powerful components and those intended for gaming or other resource-intensive tasks. Take note of the efficiency rating when choosing your power supply. The power supply's efficiency refers to how effectively it converts alternating current from the outlet into direct current for your components. Higher efficiency means less wasted energy in the form of heat. Efficiency ratings are expressed as a percentage and often classified into different levels such as 80 plus bronze, silver, gold, platinum or titanium. Make sure to purchase a power supply with the correct cabling and connectors for your specific motherboard. Power supplies come with various cables and connectors to provide power to different components. Common connectors include the 24-pin ATX, 8-pin and 4-pin CPU connectors, PCI Express connectors for graphics cards, SATA connectors for storage drives, and Molex connectors for peripherals. Modular and semi-modular power supplies allow you to detach unused cables, helping with cable management and airflow within your case. When building your computer, it is imperative to check its form factor. Power supplies come in different form factors, with ATX being the most common. Ensure that the power supply's physical dimensions and screw placements match your computer case. Some compact cases may require smaller power supplies such as the SFX or SFXL. Power supplies will include cooling fans that help dissipate heat generated during operation. The higher quality power supplies often have quieter and more efficient fan designs. Take note of the power supply's overload protection and safety features it has. Power supplies are equipped with various protection mechanisms, such as overcurrent protection, overvoltage protection, and overtemperature protection, to prevent damage to components in case of power fluctuations or component failures. For some, all of this may seem confusing. If you're still having trouble figuring out what type of power supply to choose, here are some final tips. Calculate the total power requirements of your components, which should be noted on each component, to determine the appropriate wattage for your PSU. Consider future upgrades. Then ensure compatibility with your case's form factor and available space you have in your case. Do some research and choose a power supply from a reputable brand that is known for reliability and good build quality. Remember, the power supply is a critical component that ensures your computer operates safely and reliably. For the best in performance, it's essential to invest in a high-quality power supply. This will ensure stable power and protect your valuable hardware components. This concludes Lesson 9. This also completes Chapter 2. Please review each lesson before you attempt to take the quiz, and if anything seems too confusing, don't be afraid to ask. Thanks for watching.